Hartz DuraPlay bacon scented dog toys. DuraPlay toys are soft and flexible to the touch and perfect for dogs of all ages, even senior dogs and teething puppies. The bacon scent and squeaker are sure to get your pup excited for playtime. This toy squeaks, no matter where you squeeze. When your pup is tired from a game of fetch, this toy can also be used as a soft chew toy. The ridges on all three ends massage gums while chewing. Make sure to always supervise your pet during playtime. DuraPlay carries an assortment of shapes and sizes to satisfy all pooches. Available in one size for small to large dogs. Available in 3 colors, pink, orange and green. The color is randomly selected when shipped. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.